Today, I wanna make pasta alla limone. Easy and fast. Let's make it together. Stay tuned. That is my knife. Take the lemon or lime zest and leave it aside. The same goes for lemon juice. Pour olive oil into the deep pan. First, fry grated garlic and chili flakes together until the aroma is released. Quickly add the lemon juice. We use cold butter to emulsify the sauce. Add it and let the flavors of the ingredients mix well and create a creamy sauce. Meanwhile, cook the pasta with salt in boiling water. Add salt, lemon zest, and heavy cream to the sauce and let it cook slowly. Now add the pasta into the sauce. Al dente. Leave it in the sauce for about 3 minutes. It's great! Pasta with a creamy texture, the fresh taste of lemon, and the aroma of garlic and parsley will give you a memorable taste. Serve with anything you like and enjoy the different taste of this pasta. Hats off to the Italians for creating this delicious and deconstructed dish. Please leave comments and like, and buon appetito! So tasty. Buon appetito!